So what is the value of personal effectiveness and self-leadership? Sometimes we may feel that we get overwhelmed at work and we don't know why. It's not that the work is particularly difficult, but at the end of the day, we feel really drained and really tired that we have nothing left to give to the people that we love. The secret to managing this better is actually learning to listen to how we have our conversations. How are we keeping our promises to people? How are we managing the commitments, the time, and our energy? How are we making requests of people and asking for help when we need it? Or are we shouldering everything alone on our own? How are we clarifying questions that people have for us? How are we clarifying requests to be very clear about what is expected of us and whether we are able to deliver it according to their expectations, to those standards, and in their timing? Lastly, bringing it all together, knowing how to manage people's requests, our promises, and even the way we offer help to others can help us reclaim our time, energy, and the rest that we need to restore balance to be able to run the race for the long haul. So the Clifton Strengths, or otherwise known as StrengthsFinder, is backed by more than 50 years of psychology research. It helps us to understand how we think, feel, and behave through our top 5 talent themes. This helps us to understand why are we naturally good at some things and not so inclined towards some others. Having this as a common language enables us to better sell ourselves during an interview, as well as gain that confidence for knowing who we are and what we're naturally good at, and how we can add value to serve the world and also ourselves.